Good afternoon, everyone. Can we have a slide, please? The topic of this self-reliant in digital platform. Actually, this topic, when it was given to me, I was really excited. But you know, right now the world is completely turbulent. And to get out of this turbulence, the self-reliance or Atmanirbhar is the important thing. Unfortunately, in India, we are dependent on energy needs. We are completely dependent on outside world. But in digital, if you talk about the digital, why we are dependent on outside world? Digital means the software technology. And software, being an Indian, right, we know that India is the best talent in the software. So why cannot we have our own technology, complete technology platform by India or made by India? So that is the thing that we are very confident that all the technology stack we can create within India for the world. So you know that India right now is the highly digitized nation in the world. In fact, I was outside India, I shifted back to India, and I seen that from the identity to the payment to the 10-minute delivery, right? So much digitalization happening. I have never seen in other country so much digitalization what we are doing in India. But there is another catch into this, that although the experience is very high as a digital experience, but if you see the underlying digital platform, what we are using it, it is mostly more than 90% digital platform currently we are using. It is controlled by, is owned by and controlled by someone else, right? And we have seen a lot of the events, right? When someone else control the digital platform, sitting outside the country boundary, right? They can control everything. In fact, one of the incidents happened in Russia-Ukraine war, right? In the Moscow metro, right? The people were using the Apple Pay. And suddenly when the war started, Apple disabled, right? Immediately. And there was a kiosk on the metro station. And that is the major concern area, right? For the country like us, India, right? As a humongous scope, right? How can we dependent for our digital platform to the outside world? So that is a question we all need to ask, and how we need to find out the answer to it. Now, another thing is that this digital platform, right, using the cloud, and we have seen that this digital platform, one of the biggest thing is that data, and we have as India, as a country, right, we have the largest data. And our data is going outside, we know that. That is the biggest problem. Because we have seen that using this data, the people sitting outside country, they are changing the narrative. We have seen the people are toppling the government. So that is the main thing, that how do we control this digital platform? How do we control this data outflow from the country? So now this is the system, right? How do we control this outflow of the digital data? All this story started from the Nirbhar, like if you say about all the cloud platform, that is where the data is going out. Because all of this digital platform is using the cloud, and these clouds are either AWS cloud, GCP cloud, or Microsoft Azure, right? So if you've seen that, they don't follow the law of land. We have seen within India also, we have seen the incidents that Microsoft switch off the Naira refinery system, right? So they don't follow the law of land. So India is aspiring to be a #1 economy, right? We cannot have such kind of a dependency on the foreign players, right? They can change the country, they can change the Indian businesses. So that is where we need to have our sovereign cloud. So sovereign cloud, when we say the sovereign is a very generic term right now, everyone is using it, but what exactly means? When we say that sovereign means that we should control our data, that it cannot allow to go out. We should have our own policies and the law applicable, right? The Indian law, we can apply to that. So that is where the sovereignty means. So that is where we need to put an emphasis that, okay, even if Microsoft, Google, and everyone is are coming to India, they have to follow this kind of guidelines. Then we will say that it is a sovereign. But still, there is a catch. Even if Microsoft and this US companies, right, come to India, they say that, yes, we are setting in India, it is an Indian cloud. But what exactly means the sovereignty, right? What does it mean from a technology standpoint of view? One, of course, the data sovereignty, right? They cannot allow to move out of the country. Second is a compute, right? The data center, not only data center in India, but the compute has to be in India. So that is where the second things for the sovereignty has come. And the third one is AI sovereignty. Right now, there is a big explosion of AI, right? But mostly we are using the AI based outside India. But what we want the models to be trained on Indian data within the country, not outside the country. So that is what the AI sovereignty means: sovereignty for cloud, sovereignty for AI. So that is the bare minimum requirement for sovereignty to be complied for country to grow forward. Now we know that this is a challenge. We need Indian technology, and that is the answer to this is a Coredge. So we started as a startup, as a deep tech startup based out of Noida. So we started in 2020, where the aim is, or our mission is, to create a full technology stack by India and to made for the world. We started from 3 people, and now we have 300 people. So we keep on growing. From 2020, we got an Indian government contract. We create an India government cloud. Then now we are exporting our technology outside world. So that is in a very short span of time. If you see that we are becoming a complete sovereign, we are a sovereign company. We are a sovereign stack. This is purely created by us as India within India. So that is what the Coredge we are doing it. We are a deep tech company, and now our solutions are not only is being used, or technology is not only being used in India, but we are exporting outside world. We have a customer in the Middle East. We have a customer in Kenya. So I think that is a proud moment for the country, that the Indian company, Indian startup company, right? We started in 2020. Within 5 years, right? We have developed a technology. We are supporting the government in India. We are giving to the cloud service provider within India, and now we are exporting. So that's the journey of the very short journey of a Coredge. And it is not that the technology we have created, we are running a very small kind of a scale, but we are running very big scale on our technology. It means that the technology what we have created, we are competing with all the Americans company, right? All the technology American company, whether it's AWS, Azure, right? That is the ambition we are taking, and now we are moving into this direction. So I just give you a glimpse that, okay, the technology what we have created is being used by the various country outside. So in the Kenya, we have done a sovereign health cloud, where the 50 million plus people are using our technology. All the people are onboarded on our technology platform. Indian telco, the very big Indian telco, #1 telco in India, is using our technology stack, right? Over the 200 million customers are on our technology stack. And the UAE also, the UAE government is running on our technology. So if you see that this technology we have just not made for a small scale, it is a bigger scale, and it is proven and is running at the production level. So that is we want to show you that the technology is mature enough, right? We are now taking a heads-on to all the biggies into the cloud's technology stack. Now, before I'm not going to the detail, but the complete technology stack we have created within India. whether it is the general purpose cloud as well as the AI cloud also. The complete AI cloud stack is we have created this technology within India. Thank you very much. Please give us a chance to use this technology to become AWS of India. So that is the answer to the word that the Coredge will be the next AWS of India to the world. Thank you very much.